Hey friends, if you wish to fix voice access not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to accessibility, and then scroll down, select speech, and then you'll find this option for voice access. You can turn it on, and this is how you can use voice access. Now if this doesn't work, then is there any solution to it? See, if it's an issue with the microphone, then you can troubleshoot accordingly. Like right click on the start button, select settings, go to system, select sound, make sure that the right microphone is selected, click on it, scroll down, try the test and check what happens. Okay, for example, right now the volume is at 82%. So this is what you can do to fix the issue with the microphone. Else if the voice access application is not working by itself, then the only solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.